Prepare and solder inlets and outlets, copper pipe, and fittings, so no soldering is made within 6 inches of the valve body to avoid heat damage to internal components. Wrap Teflon pipe thread sealing tape onto the metal threads of the inlet fittings and outlet connections of the valve body. Screw the pipe and fittings onto the valve body inlets and outlets. Tighten firmly with a wrench, positioning them for connecting to the hot and cold inlets and diverter outlets. Measure and cut a wood cross support approximately 1 by 6 inches to fit between the wall studs. Attach 4 corner brackets with screws to the wood cross support. Determine the valve position in the wall and mark the back wall vertically and the studs horizontally. Insert the wood cross support against the back wall between the studs. Check for level and mark the valve center line to align with the vertical lines on the back wall and horizontal lines on the studs. Remove wood cross support to mark the lines on it, and insert it again against the back wall between the studs. Align the vertical and horizontal markings on the cross support with the markings on the back wall and the studs. Check for level and secure the wood cross support with corner brackets and screw into the studs. Position the valve body with pipes and fittings attached against the wood cross support. Align it with the vertical and horizontal line markings and attach it with screws through the lug holes on the body. Check that the body is level, upright, and perpendicular to the studs. Attach a pipe strap under the diverter and screw it to the wood cross support. Verify again that the body is level, upright, and perpendicular to the studs, and make sure the valve is securely mounted onto the wall bracket. Cap all outlets, turn the water on and check for leaks, and attach the two tube mudguards to protect valve and all threads.